Welcome back to YouTubeGrowth Academy. If you're working hard to monetize your YouTube channel, you already know that two big requirements stand in your way: 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Today we're focusing on that second part, subscribers. I'm going to share a step-by-step guide that will help you reach 1,000 subscribers faster and more effectively. So, stay tuned until the end, because every step matters. First, let's clear something up. Many new creators think getting subscribers is all about luck, but that's not true. Subscribers come from strategy, not chance. And once you apply the right techniques, hitting 1,000 will feel much more achievable. Step 1. Define your niche clearly. Viewers subscribe when they know what to expect from you. If one video is about gaming, the next is about cooking, and the third is about travel, your audience gets confused. Pick a niche that you love and stick to it. When your channel has a clear theme, people who are interested in that topic will subscribe because they know you, keep making the content they want. Step 2. Optimize your channel branding. Your profile picture, banner, and about section are like your digital first impression. Imagine walking into a store that looks messy, you'd probably leave, right? Same thing on YouTube. A clean, professional channel design builds trust, and trust is what convinces viewers to hit subscribe. Step 3. Focus on high-value content. Subscribers don't come from average videos. They come from videos that solve a problem or deliver something exciting. Always ask yourself, what will the viewer get from this video? For example, instead of a generic video called fitness tips, you can make 5 fitness hacks to lose belly fat fast. The more value you give, the more likely people are to subscribe for future content. 8. Create consistent upload schedules. Think about your favorite TV show. You know exactly when new episodes come out, and you keep coming back for more. The same rule applies on YouTube, whether it's once a week or twice a week. Set a schedule and stick to it. Consistency builds habit, and habits create loyal subscribers. Step 5. Use calls to action smartly. Don't just say, please subscribe. Instead, give your viewers a reason. Try something like, if you want to grow your YouTube channel faster, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Connecting the benefit to subscribing makes people much more likely to click that button. Step 6. Engage with your audience. YouTube is not a one-way street. Reply to comments, ask questions, and even pin comments under your videos. When viewers feel heard, they feel connected to you, and connected viewers are the ones who subscribe and stay loyal. Step 7. Leverage collaborations. One of the fastest ways to grow is by working with other creators in your niche. Even if they're slightly bigger or at the same level as you, collaborations expose your channel to a new audience. And if that audience likes your content, they'll subscribe. Step 8. Promote your channel outside of YouTube. Wow. Don't rely only on the algorithm. Share your videos on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or even WhatsApp groups. Every new viewer is a potential subscriber, and by creating multiple entry points, you increase your chances of growth. Now, here's a powerful bonus tip. Focus on your first 30 seconds. Most viewers decide within half a minute if they'll continue watching or click away. If you can hook them early, they're much more likely to finish the video. If they finish the video, they're far more likely to subscribe. Another bonus hack is using playlists to increase watch time. When people watch multiple videos in a row, not only does your watch time grow, but they also start trusting your channel more, and that naturally turns into subscriptions. So let's recap. To reach 1,000 subscribers, you need to define your niche clearly, optimize your channel branding, deliver high-value content, stick to a consistent upload schedule, use strong calls to action, engage with your audience, collaborate with other creators, promote outside YouTube, and always hook your viewers in the first 30 seconds. If you apply these strategies consistently, hitting 1,000 subscribers won't just be possible, it will be inevitable. And once you cross that milestone, you'll be halfway to monetization and one big step closer to turning your passion into income. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to YouTubeGrowth Academy for more proven hacks and step-by-step strategies to grow and monetize your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.